Good morning, student. My name is Mrs. Supriya and I am from Premchand Memorial Public School. Student, I request you all please open your master's book and in that open page number 133. Student, as you know, in this chapter 13 we have already done polygon. Today we are doing circles. Let's start the topic. A circle is a plane figure which consists of a set of points which are at the same distance from a fixed center point. Circle क्या होता है बच्चे? एक plane figure होता है like this which consists a set of points which are at the same distance from the fixed center. Okay. Now let's discuss about the part of circles. First of all, center. अगर हम कोई भी सर्कल बनाते हैं उसका एक सेंटर जरूर होता है. द पॉइंट ओ इज द मिडल ऑफ द सर्कल इज कॉल्ड सेंटर. एंड अगर हमारे पास कोई सर्कल है उसका ये जो हिस्सा होगा ये क्या कहलाएगा? बॉर्डर ऑफ द सर्कल इज नोन एज circumference. Circumference is the distance around the circle. It is the perimeter of the circle. Got it, student? Now come to page number 134. Here radius. अब सेंटर से जो लाइन क्रॉस करके जाएगी हाफ ऑफ द सेंटर से उसके सर्कमफ्रेंस को छुएगी, दैट इज नोन एज radius. Radius is the distance between the center and the circumference of a circle. OA is the radius. Got it? What is mean by radius? Now diameter, जो एक circumference से सर्कल के दूसरे को छुएगी, that is diameter. A diameter is a line passing from one point on the circumference to another through the center. It divides the circle into two halves. Diameter क्या करता है? सर्कल को टू हाफ्स में बांटता है. AOB is the diameter. AOB is the diameter of the circle. Now chord. What is chord, students? Any line segment whose two end points are on the circumference is called a chord. That is known as chord. It may or may not pass through the center. It can be or it cannot be pass through the center. The diameter is the longest chord. Diameter जो होती है longest chord होती है. Here A, B and C, D are chords. Got it, student? Now let's see relationship between radius and diameter. The diameter of a circle is twice the radius. Diameter जो होता है twice of radius होता है, जैसे कि आपने देखा, and radius is half of the diameter. Got it, student? Let's revise once more. See, student, ये क्या बनाया मैंने? एक circle, and this is its center. This is A. Okay. Now point A is the middle of the center of the circle. और ये क्या है बच्चे? This is circumference. What is this? Circumference of the circle. Or if I draw a line like this, this is a radius of the circle. A same line if I draw like this, this will be diameter of the circle. And if I draw a line like this, this is known as chord. But diameter is also a longest chord of the circle. Got it, student? Now, suppose if we got a question, suppose if we got a diameter is equal to 36, we have to find the radius. Then as we know, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Then what we will do? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius and we have to find the radius. Okay. And Radius is equal to half into diameter. Okay, now what we will do? We will do half into 36. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 8 is 16. यानी कि 18 centimeter is our radius. Got it, student? Very good. Now, suppose students, we are having a circle. Okay. Its interior points are, and some are, so what we will say? A, C and B are interior points and D, M and R exterior points. Got it, student? I hope ये chapter आपको अच्छे से clear हो गया होगा. This chapter is a very easy chapter. So student, do your exercises very well and submit to me on time. All the best, student, for your given assignment.